So
awesome. Wow. Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You still demoing? Whoa, that's pretty cool.
it's for you. Anything for you, Daddy.
That's pretty.
I love you, Dad.
That's pretty solid, man. Nice job. Yep. Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Jason, aka Guy with the Meter, ISBL Judge for Florida.
Okay.
I've got 6 Orion HCCAs powered by 3 Orion HCCA SBL Series 5Ks. You say 5Ks.
Yep.
So
Awesome. Wow.
And I got to give credit. The enclosure done by Raw Customs, Chris Krause. Wiring, electrical, and all that good stuff
Yep.
done by me. Nice.
What are the tunings on the 6th order? You know them?
You're gonna find out.
Okay.
Cocaine is my girl. Yeah, my California.
Wow. This plays really low too.
About 28 is where it's not what it is.
Really? Okay. This is a good one, 24 hertz.
Next drink, I'll make you disappear.
Let's say 3 5Ks, it feels like way more than that.
Well, we said the Orion 5Ks, you say 5K.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, but we freaking gasket out.
Uh-oh. I appreciate the demo, man. What was your name again?
Jason Swing.
Jason Swing. All right.
The ISBL Judge
Yes, sir.
for Florida.
Awesome. Can I see the amp?
Yeah,
Amps in the back. Thank you. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. A lot of. How much lithium again? You had?
It's like 195 of these wood.
Okay.
Something like like that?
Very nice.
I gotta see how boiling these are. Yeah, we're gonna calm down for a minute.
A little warm.
Yeah, I haven't ducked. This right here is cold.
You got some
Because
AC running.
The AC is running here, but I need to replumb it.
Oh,
so
you
that-
got a plumb here and it'll go.
Yeah. Yo.
Got it.
Hey, what's up, man?
Awesome.
What's going on? What's up, Jacob?
What's up, man?
Crack jaw. I'm gonna walk in
Thank you for the demo, man.
Hey, sure thing, buddy.
For quarter, don't get that another $1,000.
I got the one for you.
Next trick, I'll make you disappear. Whoop.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code Hcca when you shop at Hcca Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.